Hi everyone, it's Joel from Blizzard Lighting, and today we're going to talk about our potent portable light, the Hemisphere. If you're looking for a versatile wireless power, you've got to check these out. Battery powered and wireless, the Hemisphere can last up to 16 hours on a single charge, has a magnetic base and a separate kickstand base for a variety of setup options. Plus, it's loaded with presets and accessories to help you get creative. All right, let's get into it. As a DJ or production company, every event is different, and this 15-watt wireless part is designed to adapt to your needs for each event. Looking for an easy uplight? Go with the built-in 8-degree lens. Need softer edges? Pop on the 15 or 30-degree diffusers, or go with the dome cover for visual interest. You can really get creative when you pair Hemisphere with other decor or use the magnetic base to easily rig these lights to unconventional places. Hemisphere features smooth dimming and strobe effects and comes with 15 static color presets. At only 1.8 pounds, it's easy to carry from event to event and boasts a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can run up to 8 hours with maximum effects or 16 hours on a single color wash. Hemisphere offers one-button manual control for navigating presets, as well as wireless control over Wi-Fi via our free at-full lighting control app. Or keep it simple with an IR remote. I personally like to use these for my smaller setups to uplight around my DJ booth or smaller venue to really change the atmosphere without having to bring larger equipment. Like I did last weekend at my campsite. The kids really love them. And that's Hemisphere. For more, check out blizzardpro.com/hemisphere. If you found this video helpful, let us know. Like and leave a comment, or better yet, tell us which fixture you'd like to see next. For more hands-on videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.